All right, we got a old water heater here, hot water tank here that's leaking. You can feel that it's leaking down there at the bottom, so the inner tank is leaking. This unit here is I don't know how old this is, but it's fucking old. It is probably a good 35 years old, 40 years old, Kenmore. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, well, you're going to want to shut the water off. When you're replacing a hot water tank, you're going to want to shut the water off to the tank, number one. Number two, you're going to want to shut off the gas cock going to the tank. We don't want to shut off the other shut off because that's going to the dryer. So we want to make sure we close the right shut off valve. Next thing you're going to want to do is turn. Let me set my light down. We're going to want to turn this to pilot lighting. We're going to turn it to pilot lighting. Let me see if I can get my light there. And we want to turn off the gas valve to the off position. And one thing I noticed on this is that there's a broken switch on the gas valve, so I didn't even notice that before here. Now I did know before that this leaked right here, the drain, and that was going to be replaced, but now we have to replace the whole tank, so there ain't no sense of doing any work on this tank. It's real old, and so we'll start removing this tank, and that'll be my weekend job, I guess. I'll drain the tank and have to go get another tank from Home Depot or Lowe's or something. But hot water tanks are very expensive. I don't know why, but they are, because they can, I guess. But yeah, so that's what you need to do if you're gonna replace a tank. You got to make sure your water supply is off. You're going to want to make sure your gas valves are off first and foremost. This will continue to leak today while nobody's here, and by the end of the night it'll probably be empty anyway. So have to go get a couple of fittings, and probably reuse that. We'll reuse this. We'll disconnect the vent, and yeah, Adept Heating and Cooling, guys. Anyway, have a good day, guys. Another adventure. Peace out.